share how we are training the animals here in the zoo. We use the system called positive reinforcement training or food reward system. Take note, we do not punish, force, hurt, or even starve our animals to cooperate or work with us. We build a relationship based on trust, just like this. See? We are very bonded to each other. Now, what are the tools that we are using in animal training? First, do you have any idea what is this? No? Okay, I will explain. This is called a target pole. Target pole is the extension of the trainer's hand. It helps us to direct to the animals with its motion and direction. The animal will understand where we want them to go or how we want them to move their body, just like this. Next tool is a bridge. Right now, we have whistle and clicker. But now, I'm using the clicker. When we say bridge, it's connect to different parties or two different sides. Meaning, the whistle or the clicker is our tool to connect or communicate to the animal. When we blow the whistle or click the clicker, it tells the animal that he or she did something correct. And the last is very important tool in animal training, and that is reinforcement. Whenever our animal did the behavior we asked them to do, we give them anything they like as a reward, and that is their food. So what do you think is Mary's favorite food?
Fish.
Are you sure? Okay, let me ask our sea lion. Mary and Pia, what is your favorite food? Colonel Ayo, what is it? Spaghetti. And number 2, Mary. She said biryani.
Oh,
no, I'm just kidding. That is our favorite one. Yes, you are correct. Mary's and Pia, fish is favorite food. Yay! Okay, you learned about animal training, and now let's proceed to the serious matter. Do you have any idea why R2, Bia, and Mary, and the rest of the animals are here in the zoo? Do you have any idea? Okay,
Do you have both any idea? May idea kayong dalawa?
And the environment which makes up their home. They are here for you to appreciate their beauties, their intelligence, and the danger they face in their natural habitat, such as pollution, illegal hunting, and illegal killing. And how we going to help them? It's very easy. Let's practice the 3 R's: the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Okay, I have a 2 important questions. Are you willing to help and protect these animals? Yes. Are you willing to save our nature? Yes. Okay, I will ask R2. Hey R2, did you hear what they say? He said yes, and they committed themselves to protect the environment. And how do you feel about that, R2? Oh, we're so happy with the big smile. And with that, we are going to celebrate some dancing. So put your hands together for our sea lion friends.
Clap your hands, Papa. Clap your hands.